Good morning, my dear students. Welcome back to the online classes of St. Joseph's Academy for class 5th subject Social Studies, lesson number 19 Major Occupations in India, Agriculture, presented by Durga Thapa. So, students, our today's topic is lesson number 19 Major Occupation in India, Agriculture. Students, agriculture is one of the major occupations in India. It is the principal source of livelihood for more than 50% of the population of our country. And do you know, it also provides most of the raw materials for the industries sector. And students, mechanization of agriculture has become a necessary input in modern agriculture. It has made the Indian agriculture a way of life by becoming commercial instead of substance. In our country, agriculture accounts over 14% of the gross domestic production, that is GDP, and 12% of exports. It provides employment to over 50% of the workforce. Now, dear students, all the crops are divided into two types. The first one, that is food crops, and the second one is cash crops. Now, food crops are all the crops that provide us food like wheat, rice, maize, barley, gram, pulses, etc. And on the other hand, cash crops are the crops which provide us the money. That means they are not for the purpose of eating, but they are for the industrial use or for selling. So they are the cotton, sugarcane, tobacco, oil seeds, etc. Students, rice is the most important staple food crop in the eastern and the southern parts of India. Rice grows well in the places having hot and wet climate. So they are well produced in the coastal areas in the south part of India and the eastern India. Yes. So they grows in Assam, West Bengal, Jharkhand, Bihar, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Tamil Nadu, Kerala, Punjab, and Haryana. That means they are the major rice producing states of India. Students, India has the largest area under rice cultivation in the world, and it is the second largest producer of rice after China. And students, do you know the 90% of the rice of the world is produced by China and India alone. So, China and India are the producer of 90% of the rice produced on earth. Students, do you recognize what is this? Which food crop is this? Yes, very good. This is wheat. Wheat is the second most important food crop grown in India. It grows well in cool and moist climate. And the main wheat producing states are Punjab, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, and Gujarat. Next food crop is the millets. Millets or coarse grain. That means they include the first one jawar, bajra, and ragi. As you can see in this picture, the first one is jawar, the second is bajra, and the third one is ragi. They all together make the millets. And Rajasthan, Bihar, Gujarat, Karnataka, and Andhra Pradesh are the main producers of these grains. And India is the world's largest producer and consumer of pulses. Now the next main food crop is maize, and maize is a rain-fed kharif crop. However, in Tamil Nadu, it is a rabi crop, but more than half maize of our country is produced in Madhya Pradesh, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Karnataka, and Rajasthan. And students, the other producers are Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Punjab, Gujarat, Odisha, Jharkhand, Chhattisgarh, Himachal Pradesh, and Jammu Kashmir. Now, students, the second category of the crops is the cash crop. And what is a cash crop? Cash crop is a agriculture crop which is grown to sell for the profit, not for the consuming. Students, the first cash crop that we are going to discuss is the sugarcane. Sugarcane is the main source of jaggery, known as gur in Hindi, and sugar also. India is one of the world's largest producers of sugarcane. And students, Uttar Pradesh is the leading producer of sugarcane, followed by Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh, Bihar, Tamil Nadu, and Punjab. That means these are the other states of producing sugarcane. Students, the second main cash crop is jute. Now, students, you can see in this picture, jute is produced from the plants and then they change into threads. Jute is used to make bags, sack, ropes and carpet. And students, it grows well in hot and wet climate. And the main jute producing states are West Bengal, Assam, Bihar and Odisha. The next cash crop is oilseed. Oilseed includes mustard, sunflower, groundnut, linseed, sesame and sunflower. Now students, they are grown in different parts of country. The oil extracted from them is called the vegetable oil that is used for cooking in our daily life. Next cash crop is cotton. Now students, cotton is used to make cloth and it is grown in Gujarat, Punjab, Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana and Tamil Nadu. The next cash crop is tea. Students, tea grows well in hot and wet climate. It is grown in Assam, parts of West Bengal and the Nilgiri Hills in the south. India is the largest producer as well as the exporter of tea in the world. The next cash crop is rubber. Rubber is mainly grown in Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Karnataka and Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Students, India ranks 5th position among the world's natural rubber producers. The next cash crops are coffee and spices. Students, coffee crops are grown in Karnataka, Kerala and Tamil Nadu. And spices includes pepper, chilies, cloves, ginger, cardamom, etc. And these are grown in Kerala and Karnataka mainly. Students, our next topic of today is development of agriculture. Students, India's total agricultural production has increased many times since independence. Agriculture development refers to the increase in farm production in order to meet the demands of our growing population. And this is due to the following factors. Because more area has been brought under irrigation by the Irrigation Department of India. Number 2 is use of manure and fertilizers of good quality had been provided to the farmers. Number 3, use of tractors and other modern machines by the farmers. Number 4, use of high quality seeds. Today's modern farmers are using the high quality seeds for their good farming. Next is emphasis on organic methods and eco-sensitive farming for the long time farming. Next is the agricultural insurance because farmers are given the insurance facility. Next is the farmers portal through which they are getting the new technologies and new way of farming by the government. Our next topic is livestock rearing. Now students, what is livestock? Yes, livestock farming is the rearing of animals for food and for other human uses. Livestock includes cattle or dairy cows, chickens, goats, pigs, horses and sheep. Students, farm animals are an asset to farmers. That means they are very useful thing for the farmers. Cows, cows and oxen are cattle. They help the farmers in many ways. Sheep and camels, we get wool from sheep and camels and we use camels for agricultural purposes and carrying the cart. Next is elephant. Elephants are tamed for festivals and carrying logs in the forest. They are mainly used in southern part of India. Next is the mules. We use mules to carry heavy loads in the plain areas and carrying carts. Thank you, my dear students, for watching the video. Have a nice day.